Hello everyone, this is lesson 2, air conditioning, split system components. Before you begin this lesson, you will find that you will also have 3 assignments. One is lesson 2 discussion, lesson 2 assignments, and a lesson 2 quiz. Let's get started. Before you even proceed to do any of these, you have to start with an lesson 2 overview. In here, you will find the lesson 2 introduction. You will find that in this learning module, you will be able to identify air conditioning components and understand each air conditioning component's purpose, as well as to locate an air conditioning components at different areas of an air conditioning system. But most importantly, you will be able to install each of the electrical components in an air conditioning system. You will find, after the introduction, you will find a video link right here under the video. You will find a link that will guide you to the lesson 2. As you can see, you will find as well articles and video. Please go over each one of them where you will find the information needed to master this lesson. I highly recommend for you to take notes while going through these articles and as well as going through these videos. Once you're done going through all this learning material, you can proceed to lesson 2 discussions, which are 50 points. Once you're done, you can proceed to lesson 2 assignments, which are 75 points. And you will end up with a lesson 2 quiz, which is your hands-on evaluation, which are 100 points. This lesson 2 quiz are a hands-on evaluation that a student would have to schedule with the instructor that same week you are doing this lesson 2 air conditioning split system components. Once you're done with lesson 2 quiz and you have mastered the hands-on evaluation, you can proceed to lesson 3 HVAC schematic diagrams. Thank you.